Good morning. Got the dog fennel planted and want to keep it up off the ground. Okay, got the dog fennel all in place, and the bricks are going to help it stay in place because, whoops. Yeah, the bricks are going to help it stay in place until it gets really rooted in, and I have some support because it's not that deep, but I expect it to really spread out, the roots to really spread out. But yeah, there's the dog fennel that we got out of the woods right over there. Nice little shrub. The important thing is it's going to repel the mosquitoes. So that's why I have it right here close in. Yeah, I think I want it to be shaped a little bit nicer, but I want it to get settled and used to being in the new location. Get the roots rooted in, and then I will kind of shape it up, trim it up. Okay, but that's not what I'm going to be working on today. We're going to have 3 days of dry weather. Yeah, 3 days of dry weather, hot weather. So I'm going to get the gravel replaced with the granite. Well, it is crushed granite. So I'm going to mix it in with glue like I did further down, and it did seem to work pretty good. Yep, see, all along here is where I put the gravel, the granite glue. I keep saying gravel, but it's granite glue. Well, you can actually use it for gravel, but and it was in just a day and a half, and we got rain that I was not expecting, and it still held up. I think this is only a little bit that washed away. I'm not sure if I even put any glue there, but that's what the project is today. Get this finished. Yes, I'm gonna try and get all of this done. See where it's been washing away. Get all that done. Well, I'm gonna see if I have enough glue to get the 15 feet from here to there, where that first ball spot is. It's about 15 feet. So let's get busy. So that's 15 feet, and then it's another, I guess another 5. But the main thing is right there where the bad slope is. And so we'll pick it up tomorrow, and I'll show you what was accomplished because it's getting hot. We started out at 60 degrees here in Atlanta, Georgia, and it's going up to the high 80s and 90s. Right now, I guess it's about 70-ish. So I want to get this done before it gets too hot, and then we will pick it back up tomorrow and show you what was accomplished. All right, guys, have a great day. Thanks for watching, and hit the like if you like it, and subscribe so you can see what the finished product is. All right, have a great one.